How to draw a lion's head in real time. First, begin by drawing a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but with Procreate, I was able to make a perfect circle. Next, we're going to draw a line down the middle of the circle, from the top all the way down past the bottom line. Again, don't worry about making a perfect line. It can be rough, double line, sketchy like the one I did here. Next, you need to draw a line across the top, forming a T from side to side. After that, I want you to find the middle point of the sides of the cross. That would be there, and draw a line up. Find it there and draw a line up. Now you're gonna go in and you're gonna draw the circle for the eyes on each side. Use the center line as a landmark, the way I'm doing it here, on each side. Just rough it in, don't worry about making perfect circles. Next, I want you to find the center point, and that's where you're gonna draw the nose of the line. That's the center point from the eye line to the bottom of the circle. This is where you will rough in the lion's nose. Start with one side and then move on to the next side. Almost looks like a little mustache. Next, find the middle point between the top of the nose and the bottom of the circle, and go a little bit higher, and this will be the bottom of the nose. Now go back to that center point, and from there you're going to draw a triangle going down. This will be the opening of the mouth. Now go to this bottom line here from the triangle and draw a line coming out. Do it for both sides. Continue drawing a line up towards the eye on both sides. Now go in and add the darks of the eyes, a round shape that goes around the eye, the top, the front, and the back. Do it for each eye. Now I want you to connect the lines from the corners of the eyes to the lines that are coming up from the front of the mouth. A little bit below the circle, draw a line, curved line. That's going to be the opening of the mouth, the bottom lip. You're going to draw one tooth, draw the other big tooth, and then on each side, draw 2 teeth. So you have 4 teeth in the middle. Now draw the rest of the lip, the thickness of the lip, and the opening of the mouth. Now draw a curved line. That's going to be the bottom of the jaw and connect it to the sides of the mouth. Now that line above the eyes that goes up to the top, you're going to start the ears a little bit to the side of that line, and it's going to go down and not all the way to the eye line, but it's going to come close to it. You're going to do that for both sides. These are landmark lines that help you place the ears. Roughen some lines for the hairs inside the ear. Just go ahead and make some squiggly lines, and that's it. Make a line above the eye line down the center and darken that. Now you should have a pretty good shape of the head. You can go in and mark in where the whiskers will go. Do it for each side. Now I want you to go in and draw the side of the face. It's 2 lines on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you're gonna go in and draw the white part of the eyes. That's 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then draw a dot for the eyes, the pupils. Now I want you to go in and draw the big shape of the mane. It's going to come out, down, so out and then down, and then it's going to go all the way down, and then you're going to curve it to meet the center at the bottom there, like that. Now I want you to go in and draw the rest of the mane on the top of the head. You don't have to be perfect with this, you just have to rough in some lines, you know, here and there, just sketching it in. Now at this stage, you can just go in and rough in the hair however you see it. Here I'm drawing some on the side, some on the top. I'm going to shade in some parts in the bottom so that the jaw stands out. But once you get to this point, you have a good foundation to build and shade your drawing. Now you can render, take your time, and render and shade everything the way you want it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks.